For some bettors, making money at the windows is all about picking winners. Rather than trying to figure out who is going to finish second or third in an exacta or trifecta, some players prefer to go for bigger scores with a multi-race wager such as the Pick 4. To cash a winning Pick 4 ticket, you need to pick the winners of 4 consecutive races. It's not an easy play to hit if you are using just one horse in each race, so most bettors try some combinations. For instance, let's say you can't decide between the 3 and the 5 in the first leg. Just use them both. You can use varying numbers of horses in each race. Naturally, increasing the number of horses you use increases the number of possible winning combinations, and that will raise the cost of the ticket, but also your odds of winning. A popular way to play is to single a horse. Let's use our original example. You like the 3 and the 5 in the first leg. In the next race, you're counting on number 4 to win, so let's single that horse. He'll be the only horse you have in that race. Oftentimes, this horse ends up being the heavy favorite, but if no one else in the race looks good, then just take a chance and single it. Then in the third leg, you want to use 3 different horses, the 1, 5, and 7. And finally, in the fourth leg, you aren't quite sure, so you want to try 5 different horses here. To figure the cost, multiply it out. 2 horses times 1 horse times 3 times 5 equals 30 possible combinations. For a $1 base ticket price, that's a $30 bet. So if you like picking winners, the Pick 4 is a good option for you. We have one Pick 4 every race card at the Meadows.